How to change video speed in Openshot. Changing the speed of the video clip in Openshot lets you create cool effects like slow motion or fast forward. Start by selecting the clip you want to speed up or slow down on your timeline. Right-click the clip and hover over time, then choose speed. You'll see a dialog box where you can enter a speed multiplier. If you enter a number greater than 1, like 2, your video will play twice as fast. If you enter a number less than 1, like 0.5, the video slows down to half speed. Keep in mind changing the speed affects audio too, which can cause distortion or strange effects. If the audio sounds off, consider muting it or replacing it with new sound. Slow motion works great for dramatic moments, while speeding up can make longer clips more exciting. What's your favorite speed effect? Let me know in the comments below, and make sure to save your project after adjusting the speed. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.